Hey everybody, today I am going to teach you how to create a realistic photos using AI or the artificial intelligence. But before we proceed, make sure that your internet connection is stable to avoid hindrance while installing the app. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos.
First step, click the Play Store. Go to search box and type Bing. Bing or Microsoft Bing is an app that can generate artificial intelligence photos you see in social media right now. After you search it, install the app, but as you can see, I already install it, so proceed to the next step, open it. At the bottom of Home, as you can see, there's a few options like Image Creator, Rewards, Weather, and more, but to create an AI photos, click the Image Creator. After you click the Image Creator, the app will bring you here. You need to describe the photos you want to generate by Microsoft Bing. Here's the example. After you click the Create, the photos will show at the bottom. Click the photo to see its quality. To download, click the three dots at the bottom right and click Download. That's it. I hope you learned and gained new knowledge about this tutorial. For more videos, please don't forget to add a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.